Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of Indian payroll management. Whether you are an HR professional, a small business owner, or someone interested in understanding the intricacies of Payroll India, this video is for you. Let us start with an overview of Indian payroll management. Payroll management in India involves calculating and disbursing salaries to employees while ensuring compliance with various statutory regulation. This includes deduction for taxes, provident fund contribution, employee state insurance, professional tax, and more. Now let us break down the key component of Indian payroll. Firstly, there is the basic salary, which is the fixed component of an employee's compensation. Then there are allowances such as house rent allowances, HRA, conveyance allowances, and special allowances. Additionally, there are statutory deduction like provident fund, PF, employee state insurance, ESIC, and income tax. One of the most crucial aspects of Indian payroll management is ensuring compliance with statutory regulations. Employee must adhere to laws such as the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provision Act, the Employee State Insurance Act, the Income Tax Act, and various state-specific labor laws. Payroll processing can be a complex task, especially for organizations with a large workforce. Many companies opt to use payroll software to automate and streamline the process. There are several payroll software options available in India, ranging from basic to advanced, offering features like salary calculation, tax calculation, and compliance management. Despite the convenience of payroll software, there are challenges that organizations may face in payroll management, such as data security concern, regulatory changes, and handling discrepancies. However, by implementing best practices such as maintaining accurate records, conducting regular audits, and staying updated on legal requirements, organizations can mitigate these challenges effectively. In conclusion, Indian payroll management requires a thorough understanding of statutory regulation, diligent record keeping, and the use of reliable payroll software. By prioritizing compliance and implementing best practices, organization can ensure smooth and error-free payroll processing, ultimately contributing to employee satisfaction and organizational success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight on HR and payroll management in India. Until next time, take care and goodbye.